Hello everyone, welcome to Rizal Learning Hub. In this video we can solve this expression which is 30 divided by 6 parenthesis 30 divided by 6. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more video. So in this expression parenthesis is include. So we should all know about PEDMAS, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. In PEDMAS, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. Multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction, and we have to from left to right. Okay, so let's start this expression. Firstly, we can solve this PEDMAS. So I can write here in first step 30 divided by 6 parenthesis 30 divided by 6 which is equal to 5. Okay student, now in next step 30 divided by 6 which is equal to 5. In this expression one division and one multiplication is included, and multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction, and we have to from left to right. So here we can start from left to right. So 30 divided by 6 which is equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 which is equal to 25. Student, this is our final answer of this expression. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any issue then comment. I will reply your comment. Thanks a lot.